Hey y'all, check out these Christmas garlands that I received from the brand as a gifted sample to try out. And now there is a hidden feature here that I'm going to show you. But first, let me talk about this garland. It is so long. It is 9 feet long. And I love how they have it decorated with these berries and these acorns. And also they've got like these random branches sticking out. It makes it so realistic looking. And they feel great too. This is actually silicone. And there's a wire in the silicone so that you can bend it and shape it exactly how you want this. Now, the hidden feature of this is that this is actually a timer-based battery-operated light. And so what it means by 6-hour timer is that this will turn on for 6 hours from the moment you turn it on, and then it'll turn off, and then it'll automatically turn on the next day at the very same time and stay on for 6 hours. So you don't have to worry about, turning this on and off every day. It's a set it and forget it type of thing, so that you can just place this outdoors or wherever you need to. It is outdoor rated as well. There is this rubber sealant around here so that it is pretty much waterproof. And I just love how easy it is to shape this and decorate this wherever you want it. And it's so long. But hope you all found this helpful. Have a great day. Check out the link in the description or scan the QR code to see my Amazon picks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.